Today I bring you an idea to create aqua blue using white, light blue and light green in the ratio of 1:1:1. Mix well these three colors with an art knife. Now we get light shadow of aqua color. Aqua is not a primary or secondary on the color wheel. It's a combination of green and blue. To get rich, just add little bit of Paitala blue. Mix well together. Now the aqua color is ready to paint. I am going to paint a seascape with aqua blue, which I have created on my own, but black and white are common for all the paintings. For this seascape painting, using 10 by 12 canvas board and flat brush size 24, pick some aqua blue and some white, mix well together and apply on the top of the canvas board. Blend slowly left to right for the sky background. I am adding some white with the previous color for the downward of the sky background. That part of the sheep portion, picking some aqua blue, add with little bit of black, mix well together and to apply on the top of the layer of the sea. Next, step by step, make it lighter than the previous, adding more aqua blue and blend nicely. Just do it as I am doing. Now this picking some aqua blue and some white mix well together to the third layer of the water body of the sea portion. For highlighting the seashore and the sand part, picking little bit of aqua blue, little bit of black and more white, mix well together to create the sand part like this. Just do it as I am doing. In this seascape painting contains the three parts. The first one the sky part, the second one is the sea part, the third one is the sand part. And finally creating waves like this. Just do it as I am doing. In this A to Z concept series, I am starting with first alphabet A for Aqua, color creation challenging and one color using with making of single color paintings or getting ready for you in my upcoming videos. Stay connected and like, share, subscribing for more paintings. Already I have done more paintings in the theme of rainbow colors, which is the highlighting of one color using challenging. Every one life can contain all the colors. That is the main concept of rainbow colors paintings. Please check it and the playlist too. Highlighting the waves with more white just to create the water waves up and down coming towards the shore. Now the beautiful painting is ready.